My name is Dan Gagnon, and I am a front-end driver, and I've been with Casella for 18 years. Everybody doesn't start out running a marathon. It's a learned, taught behavior. There's a lot of similarities between running a marathon and driving a truck. My values here are the same as they are at work. It's not, I just woke up one day and said, I'm gonna go drive a garbage truck. I had to learn. I had some good teachers. It's an honest day's work. I do front end for a living. It is a high stress, high traffic job. If I forget for 1 second, there's something behind me that wasn't there 2 seconds ago, I'm into it. And any front end driver will tell you, you're on your guard all the time, from the moment you get behind the wheel to the moment you get out from behind the wheel. Do the job right, take pride in your work. It's the same thing with running a marathon. I didn't wake up one day and said, I'm gonna go run 26 miles. That sounds like a great idea. What's wrong with you? No. You start little and you work your way up. Just the same thing you do in trash. It's the same thing you do in life. You learn to walk before you can run. You learn to run before you can jump. You know, it's a progression. Went into the shop one day. I says, I'm running a marathon. Do we support that? Yeah, we do. Oh, okay. That's when I got the ball rolling. Boston rolls around. Boston is different than any other marathon. When you sign on for at least the charity that I do, St. Jude, you have a $10,000 minimum requirement to make that race. They did it. They cut me a check for $10,000. That's how I ran the 2020, even though it was virtual, hardest marathon I've ever done in my life, but they cut a check for $10,000. Now you tell me that that is not generous. That's when, okay, I'm gonna run Boston again in 2021. Oh, I'm gonna run London this year. Casella, 100%. They've been behind me 100%. I chose St. Jude because if you go anywhere, like I said, if you go to Children's Hospital, if you go to Shriners, St. Jude, look at the faces of these kids. Just look at them. They didn't ask for this. They don't want this. They want to go out and play baseball. They want to go out and ride their bike, but they can't. So St. Jude allows these kids to return to a sense of normalcy, give them back their life, because it got taken away from them. I was brought upon this planet to raise kids and help kids. That's my job. If I exceed my goal, fantastic. I'm all about it. But if that's what I can do for them, I'm your guy. They allow us that have everything that works to help them.